Okay, welcome back. This is Motech. I'm Noel Moses Modende. So, in our last video, we had the introduction of steganography. So, this is the second part of steganography, where we are going to learn on how to hide message containing secret information inside of the picture. So, get prepared. We are going to use tool called XIAO Steganography, this application. So if you don't have, or if this application is yet installed into your machine, you may use Google and download this application. Okay, if you look on my desktop, you may see folder named Steganography. This folder as shown. So inside of this folder there is two content. There is picture, as you can see. Yeah, this is Motech logo. It is named as before.bmp. This is the secret file as named. Inside of this file, secret information is stored. As you can see, our file have two columns. First column is named as account, which contain account names, and the second column is named as password. So at this side, this is bank account password 2020, Gmail account password 0000, Facebook account password 1111. So this file named as a secret created by using Notepad should be hidden in picture called before. So if you right click and go to the right option named as properties, you may see this picture has a property of .bmp. So our application supports the usage or the using of file with .bmp extension. So if you have picture with extension GPG or GNP, you should rename or you should edit. I'll show you how to do that. In this folder is named all. If you right click and see the property of this file or this picture has extension of .png, as you can see here. So if you want to change the extension of picture to .bmp, so that you can use this application as shown on the desktop, as it supports .bmp, .bitmap. So the following are the steps. If you want to edit, right click, find option named edit. Here you can see this is our picture. Click on file, go to the fourth option, save as. This is a BMP picture. So here you can edit your file from PNG, JPEG, or yeah, any extension of photo to BMP. So you click here, then you are asked where to save your photo. So let me find where to save it. All, let me save this picture as Motech. So if you see here, it is .bmp. Yeah, if you save that, you are done. Then this, if you right click, go to property, you can see now the extension of file is changed from uh, PNG to bitmap. Yeah, you can see this is bitmap file. Okay, so that was that. This is not really steganography. I was just trying to teach you on how you can change your file or your picture so that it can fit, as I have told you that our application we are going to use in steganography support picture with .bmp extension, not PNG or GPG. So let's start. This is your application for steganography. Click it open. Yeah. Oh, yeah. From the look upon the face of this application, you may see it is very small, but very powerful. I appreciate this tool. Congrats for developers. So this is the first file, add file, extract file, exit. So for the time being, click add file. Here you can see load target file. Click on that. So we are going, this is desktop, this is the folder we are going to use, Steganography. Yeah, click on that. Our picture we are going to work on is named as before. Choose it, yeah, open. Yeah, everything's right. So our picture for doing steganography is already chosen. Click on next. Here we have two options, add file, remove file. For the time being, choose add file. This is a file we want to hide in the picture. Alright, so a file named secret is a file we are going to hide. Click on that, then open. Yeah, you can see now we have successfully added a text file containing secret information inside of your photo. So we are almost done. Here at the bottom, the second option is named as next. Click on next. Okay. So for the matter of security, in order to protect or for more protection of your secret file, you need a password. So let me put password. You can choose any. I'm putting Motec, yeah, without caps lock. Then next. So remember, after putting your password, your file should be saved as new, or your picture should be saved as new. It means that there will be difference between file before message and file with message. So we will have two photos, photo with no message and a photo with message. It is like Adobe before and after effect. So let me name this file after, as this is after hiding a file, and let's save it. Yeah, finish. We are already done. Now exit a program. Let's go and open our folder named Steganography. So inside of this folder, you may see there is two pictures uh, or two photos and one file. This is named before. So this picture is before hiding the message. This after is after hiding the message. From the look upon these pictures, you may see that these pictures are looking the same, but there is a difference between before and after. Before, the picture named before does not have any content, but this after, there is Inside of this file, inside of this picture, there is file called secret. So thank you for watching. This is the end of how to hide file or to hide text file inside of the picture. This is more tech. I insist you do not forget to like, do not like to comment, do not forget to subscribe. I need feedback. So welcome for the next video. This is Motech. Thank you. See you next video.